So I've just been talking to my BMW service guy, and he's been talking about a battery reset. I've got actually a brake warning sensor that won't reset, and he's told me that often what BMW does, their first go-to thing when they've got electronics that aren't behaving and aren't doing what they want, is actually to fully disconnect the battery for at least 10 minutes, let everything run down, switch off, and then reconnect the battery again. And he said that fixes an absolute multitude of problems. So that is a gold piece of information. To be honest, I've been a little bit scared about disconnecting the battery on my BMWs for what consequences there might be. But it's something that the BMW service guys do actually do when the electronics go a bit funky or a bit funny. In my case, I've got a sensor that won't reset. Said one of the first things to do, simply disconnect the battery, leave it off for at least 10 minutes, and then reconnect the battery. So we're going to do that. Now BMW's batteries are obviously normally in the back. Have a look up here. I'll give you a link to a video about where's the battery in my BMW. And also I'll put another link up here about how to take out the battery in a 1 Series. And that'll show you how to disconnect it as well. So, okay, there you go. This would be an awesome tip for a lot of people I know and save them a whole lot of money to just give everything a bit of a reset and hopefully solve some of your problems. Thanks for watching.